Snowed a bit last night. There's quite a bit of snow on my tarp. Soup's getting close to done, so I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic. A little savory, a little sweet, a little bit spicy. It's good.
I walked for almost an hour in this snow and never saw a single animal print. Check it out, fresh moose tracks. One of my big concerns is I'll come across a moose on the tracks, and that moose won't get out of the way for me. Look how deep they're sinking. Their bellies are rubbing in the snow.